Alright, picture this. You're outside on a sunny day, chilling under a big tree. But have you ever wondered how that tree actually survives, and even grows, just sitting there? It's not eating pizza or grabbing a smoothie like you and me. Nope. It's doing something way cooler: photosynthesis. So here's how it works. Plants have a superpower: they can make their own food. First, they soak up water from the soil with their roots. Then, they pull in carbon dioxide from the air, kind of like they're taking a big breath. But the real magic ingredient? Sunlight. Inside the leaves, there's this green stuff called chlorophyll. That's what makes plants green, and it's like nature's solar panel. Chlorophyll grabs energy from sunlight. With that energy, the plant mashes together water and carbon dioxide in a chemical reaction. The result? Two brand new substances, glucose and oxygen. Glucose is basically plant food. It's a type of sugar that gives the plant energy to grow, make seeds, and even build that huge trunk you're probably leaning against right now. Oxygen? That's the stuff you and I are breathing right this second. And guess what? It's just a byproduct for plants. They don't need it, so they push it out into the air. You can write out what's happening like this: water plus carbon dioxide, with a little help from sunlight, gives you glucose and oxygen. Now, why does any of this matter? First, thanks to photosynthesis, plants store energy from the sun inside sugars. Every living creature, whether you're a bug, a bird, or a human, depends on this energy. When you eat food, you're actually munching on energy that started out as sunshine, captured by plants. That's what food chains are all about: the journey of energy from the sun, to plants, to everything else. But here's the second big reason photosynthesis is so important. Plants make oxygen, lots of it. About 20% of the air around us is oxygen, and we need it every second to stay alive. Believe it or not, billions of years ago, there was almost no oxygen in Earth's air. Scientists think the very first oxygen came from bacteria that learned how to photosynthesize way before there were any plants. If photosynthesis never started, animals, including us, wouldn't even exist. So next time you're outside, thank a plant. It's not just sitting there looking pretty, it's making food, making oxygen, and making life on Earth possible. How cool is that?